Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to hide virtual camera from Umingle. First open your browser, search for OBS Studio and download it. Once the download is complete, install OBS Studio on your PC. After that, open the zip file. You can find the download link in the description. Extract the file into your desktop, then install both of the files included in the folder. This file will rename your OBS virtual camera so it appears as a real webcam on Umingle. Now open your browser again and go to Umingle. When you check your camera list, you will see HD webcam. That is actually your OBS virtual camera. And that's it. Now you can use OBS on Umingle without your virtual camera being detected. I hope this video helped you out. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.